Hello, viewers, you are welcome. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening to this fascinating program. This is all about motor vehicle. This is all about driving any types of vehicle. We educate the drivers on different components of the vehicles. We have different parts. We have the lighting system, braking system. We have the wiper or wind shell, different components in the vehicles, and also driving techniques. So we are talking about different types of driving techniques and also part of the vehicle component you are to know in order to have a smooth and safe driving to and fro of your destination. Here we are going to discuss about tailgating. You will know the importance of not to tailgate, and you will know the danger of tailgating and also how to prevent tailgating. All what I'm saying here is following a vehicle bumper to bumper. That is the meaning of tailgating. A vehicle is moving and you are behind the vehicle. You have to maintain a braking distance or a distance between you and the driver in front of you. That is what we call braking distance. In case there is an emergency in front of the vehicle that you are following at the back, if we apply an emergency brake, you at the back should be able to apply a brake as well, so that you will safely stop without touching the vehicle in front of you or without leading into collision. So we'll discuss about tailgating. Tailgating is a term used to describe a specific behavior in driving where one vehicle closely follows another vehicle on the road. The dangers are: 1. Following closely. When a driver tailgates, they position their vehicle very closely behind the vehicle in front of them. 2. Unsafe distance. Tailgating occurs when a driver does not maintain a safe following distance. 3. Reasons for tailgating. According to some drivers, there are some reasons why people tend to tailgate, although none of them are justifiable from a safety perspective. Some common reasons are impatience, aggressive driving behavior. These are the reasons why some people tailgate or why some drivers follow the vehicle in front of them bumper to bumper, because they are impatient, they are in a hurry. Just like that, they are in a hurry. But in case of emergency, the vehicle behind can hit the one in front if care is not taken, which will result into an accident that can cause deaths or serious injury, or even the property, even the vehicle itself. 4. Dangers of tailgating. The problem that you face in tailgating while you are following a vehicle bumper to bumper. One of the reasons are that reduce reaction time. When you are following a vehicle bumper to bumper, in case of any emergency, you cannot be able to react fastly. When you tailgate, you have very little time to react if the vehicle in front makes a sudden stop. 2. Increased risk of collisions. That is, you can easily collide with the vehicle in front of you. Tailgating significantly increases the risk of crash. Following bumper to bumper is very easy to involve yourself in road traffic crash. C. Pressure on the leading vehicles. Being closely followed can cause stress and anxiety for the driver in front. 5. Preventing tailgating. How do you prevent tailgating? How do you prevent following a vehicle bumper to bumper? To avoid tailgating, drivers should observe the following. A. Maintain a safe following distance. That is, you should be able to maintain a braking distance. B. Adjust the following distance based on road condition. The road may be slippery due to rainfall or dusty area or snow that you cannot see very far. So these are some of the reasons. These are some of the problems. Be patient. You have to be patient when you are on the road. Even though you are in a hurry, you just have to be patient. That is the law and that is the rules. Because anything you touch the vehicle in front of you, definitely you are at fault. Legally, if you collide with a vehicle, you at the back, you are at fault, because in any driving, you have to apply defensive driving. Defensive driving. You must have to apply defensive driving. That is, you are driving the vehicle behind you, your own vehicle, and the one at your back. You are making sure that you do not collide with either the one in front or the one at the back. In summary, tailgating is a dangerous driving behavior where a vehicle closely follows another without maintaining a safe distance. You have to maintain a safe distance in order to be safe from any accident. You must maintain a safe distance so that you will have a successful journey to your destination. Remember, only the living that can celebrate. Your family are waiting for you. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share so that others will benefit as well. Thank you and be safe.